The soleus is a broad muscle in the lower calf, deep to the gastrocnemius. It plantar flexes the foot at the talocrural joint. Origin: soleal line, proximal, posterior surface of the tibia and posterior aspect of the head of the fibula. Insertion: calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. Action: plantar flex the talocrural joint. Innervation: tibial nerve L5, S1, S2. Review: origin: soleal line, proximal, posterior surface of the tibia and posterior aspect of the head of the fibula. Insertion: calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. Action: plantar flex the talocrural joint. Innervation: tibial nerve L5, S1, S2. What is the primary action of the soleus muscle? A. Dorsiflexion of the foot. B. Plantarflexion of the foot at the talocrural joint. C. Flexion of the tibiofemoral joint. D. Evert the foot. The correct answer is B. Plantarflexion of the foot at the talocrural joint. Where does the soleus muscle originate? A. Condyles of the femur. B. Anterior surface of the tibia and fibula. C. Soleal line, proximal posterior tibia, and posterior head of the fibula. D. Lateral malleolus and calcaneus. The correct answer is C. Soleal line, proximal posterior tibia, and posterior head of the fibula. The soleus inserts into which structure? A. Tibial tuberosity. B. Base of the first metatarsal. C. Calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. D. Navicular bone. The correct answer is C. The calcaneus via the calcaneal tendon. Which nerve innervates the soleus muscle? A. Sciatic nerve, L5, S1. B. Tibial nerve, L5, S1, S2. C. Common peroneal nerve. D. Femoral nerve, L2, L3, L4. The correct answer is B. Tibial nerve, L5, S1, S2. How does the soleus differ from the gastrocnemius in function? A. The soleus only acts on the ankle, while the gastrocnemius acts on both the knee and ankle. B. The soleus is responsible for knee flexion, while the gastrocnemius is not. C. The soleus aids in dorsiflexion, while the gastrocnemius plantarflexes. D. The soleus is innervated by the femoral nerve, while the gastrocnemius is innervated by the tibial nerve. The correct answer is A. The soleus only acts on the ankle, while the gastrocnemius acts on both the knee and ankle.